My brothers, my sister, are you in Nigeria right now working hard every month but your money is not growing? This video right here is for you. Salary alone will not make you wealthy and saving money alone will not build for your future. In this video right here, I'm going to be showing you step by step on how to start investing in Nigeria as a complete beginner. Before we dive into where to invest, let's talk about why investment or investing is important. In Nigeria today, prices are rising fast. Food is expensive, transport is expensive, rent is expensive or increasing, school fees are increasing. But your salary, is it increasing too? Sometimes and most times the answer is no. For example, if you keep 100,000 in your saving account for 1 year, it may still be 100,000, but what that money can buy has reduced. That is why investment or investing is important. Many people hear investing and think it is only for rich people, bankers, or risky gambling. Some people think investing is just crypto, but no, investing simply means you put your money into something that has the potential to grow over time. Before you invest, you must prepare yourself. Take note, please. Many Nigerians make the mistake of hearing about one hot investment, rushing into it and putting in all their money, then panicking when emergency happens. First, you need to know or have an emergency fund. Save at least 3 to 6 months of your essential expenses before investing. For example, if your monthly essential expenses are 100,000, try to save at least 300 to 600,000. This is not for saving, it's not for investing, it is for medical emergency, job loss, urgent repair, or family needs. Okay. Next, remove high interest debt. If you owe credit card debt or any high interest loan, clear it first. If you are paying 25% interest on a loan but earning 10% on investment, you are losing. Debt slow your financial growth, so deal with it firstly. Now let's talk about where you can invest in Nigeria as a beginner. First, the stock market. When you buy a stock, you are buying a small part of a company like Dangote Cement, GT Banks, and MTN Nigeria or Globalcom. If the company grows, your money grows. If the company makes a profit, they may pay you dividends at the end. So, one, you can consider stock market. Second is mutual funds. This is perfect for beginners. Professionals collect your money in mutual funds from professionals collect money from many people and invest it for you. You don't need to know everything. They manage it. Type includes money market funds, which come with low risk, equity fund come with higher growth but higher risk, and bond funds. Many Nigerian assets markets and companies offer this. Mutual funds are one of the easiest way to start. And third here we have on our list today is treasury bills and bonds. This is like lending money to the government. Risk is lower, return may not be that high, but it is safer than many other options. Good for conservative beginners. So fourth on our list is agriculture investment. Nigeria is big on agriculture, but be very careful. Only invest with verified regulated platforms. Many fake platforms have collapsed in the past, so always do proper research. Fifth you have on our list here today is digital investment platforms. So there are these are fictex app in Nigeria that allow you to buy stocks, save in dollar investment, or invest in mutual funds. Yes, but always check if they are regulated, transparent, and explained clearly. Don't follow social media or social hype blindly. Okay. One big mistake people make is thinking they will start investing when they have plenty of money. So it is no, and that thought pattern is wrong. Start small. Even 5,000, 10,000, 20,000 consistently is enough. So another important principle is thinking long term. If you invest today and check the price tomorrow, you will stress yourself. Wealth is not built in 1 week. Invest with a 3 to 5 years or 10 years mindset. Markets will go up, markets will go down, but disciplined investors will win in the long term. So many Nigerians have lost money because they chase quick return. Investing is more about mindset than money. Take note, please. You don't need patience if you don't want to invest properly, but you need patience. Take note if you want to invest properly. Discipline, emotional control, and long-term thinking. So here is a simple action plan for you. Calculate your monthly expenses. Calculate your monthly expenses. Yes, start building an emergency fund. Research 2 to 3 regulated investment platforms. Start small and invest consistently every month. Listen, nobody is coming to save your financial future, my brother. Governments will not do that for you. Your company will not do that for you. Your friends will not do it for you. You must take responsibility. So today, start small, start wisely, start today. Investing is not for the rich. Investing is how people become rich. If this video has helped you, please subscribe to the Kingdom FinTech. We are building a space for financial literacy, financial giant. Be one among us. Thank you and see you in the next video. Bye for now.